AutoCAD and SolidWorks are both popular software tools used in the field of mechanical design, but they differ in various aspects, especially when it comes to parametric modeling and mechanical design. Here are some key differences between AutoCAD and SolidWorks in terms of mechanical design and parametric concepts. Parametric modeling. AutoCAD primarily uses 2D drafting and 3D modeling tools, but its parametric capabilities are not as robust as those of SolidWorks. While AutoCAD has introduced parametric features, SolidWorks is known for its more advanced parametric modeling capabilities. SolidWorks is built around parametric modeling, allowing users to create relationships and constraints between different parts and features. This parametric approach enables easy modification of designs by changing a single parameter, updating the entire model accordingly. Assembly modeling. AutoCAD allows for assembly modeling, but it might not be as intuitive and feature-rich as SolidWorks. AutoCAD lacks some of the advanced assembly tools that are standard in SolidWorks. SolidWorks excels in assembly modeling, providing tools for creating and managing complex assemblies. It includes features like interference detection, mate constraints, and assembly motion simulation. User interface. AutoCAD has a more general-purpose interface suitable for various design disciplines, including architecture and civil engineering. It may require additional plugins for specific mechanical design tasks. SolidWorks is tailored specifically for mechanical design. Its user interface is designed to streamline the creation of 3D models and assemblies, making it more specialized and efficient for mechanical engineers. Learning curve. AutoCAD is generally considered easier for beginners to learn, especially for 2D drafting. Its user interface is straightforward, and it is widely used in various industries. SolidWorks has a steeper learning curve, especially for users new to 3D parametric modeling. However, once mastered, SolidWorks provides powerful tools for efficient mechanical design. Industry standards. AutoCAD is widely used across various industries, including architecture, civil engineering, and mechanical design. It is a versatile tool that can handle different types of design projects. SolidWorks is specifically focused on mechanical design and is extensively used in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and consumer products. File compatibility. AutoCAD uses DWG, drawing file format, which is a standard in the industry. It is compatible with various CAD software, facilitating collaboration with users of different tools. SolidWorks uses its proprietary file format, SLDPRT for parts, SDASM for assemblies, which may require conversion or special handling when collaborating with users of other Canadian dollar software.